Cats drinking water is a simple yet essential activity that underscores their need for hydration. Whether it's a delicate sip from a bowl or an enthusiastic lap from a flowing faucet, each action reflects their instinctive drive to stay hydrated and healthy. Observing a cat drinking can be oddly fascinating. The way their tongues flick quickly to capture the water and the focused, sometimes almost meditative, nature of the process. For a creature often associated with independence and mystery, this moment of vulnerability reveals a fundamental aspect of their well-being, highlighting the delicate balance they maintain to thrive in their daily lives.